In this video, we'll redesign this website using Vuetify.js, which is material design component framework for Vue.js. So the reason we are redesigning this website is if we look at mobile view, it looks horrible, right? So to make it responsive and to give it a new look, we are redesigning this using this. So if you are not familiar with Vuetify and you are learning for first time, it is a good time to learn Vuetify.js. So let's get started by installing this application, this framework. So let's go to quick start. So we are so here is documentation how you can install on new project or existing application. So since we are installing it on existing application, we require this command npm install Vuetify save. Also make sure you are running watcher to keep changes of assets. So you can run npm run watch on your terminal. Alright, so let's take a look at the application structure. So typical Laravel project with Vue.js inside Laravel. So in resources asset.js we got some components. So there is e-commerce website series in this channel you can watch, or if you are existing user, if you are already subscriber, you might know we built all these. So you don't need to know other thing. Okay, so to set this up on our project, we'll need this, and let's go to resources assets and app.js, and here so we import Vue and Vuetify, and then we use Vuetify. So this old code, we don't need that. So now also we need this CSS file. Without this it won't look good. Just specify it here. So now CSS is done, and we need this material icon. We just copy this thing, copy. So we'll copy this in our main layout file, which is inside views, layout, and main. So there are a lot of unnecessary dependencies. We'll remove them in a moment. Okay, so link to material icons. Perfect. Yeah. So now there is Vuetify in our project. So first of all, we'll go one step at a time. We'll just make new Navbar. So in Vuetify there are a lot of components that you can use, like toolbar, like this. So let's copy this code. So if you go to main, we got this top bar. This is the navbar, and this is some, and this is footer. So here we'll use our component, we'll call it navbar. Okay, navbar. Now we need to create this. So let's increase font size. Okay, so we need to create a navbar component. So in this project we are not using any Vue router, we are using the Laravel routes. So this is not single page application, we are using separate components. So if in future we need single page application, we can easily make that because we have already these components. Let's create a navbar component and call it navbar, and we need to create this file inside components. So let me create a new file, navbar.view, inside components, and we'll paste this with this component, this file that we copied from Vuetify documentation. Alright, so this is our sample toolbar, we included it here, navbar. So now we should see navbar. Okay, so we don't need our existing top bar, we can get rid of that, or for now we can just comment this out. So we'll need this for reference. So we'll update our content in navbar, like title is MC Mikey certs, first page is link to all certs, second one let's call it contact. So third is, I think, the link to cart count. Like so. So let's refresh. There we go. Search, contact, cart. Let's see in mobile view how it looks. Yeah, perfect. Also we need to update the link. So in button we can use href attribute. That should take us to search. Href contact. Also in toolbar title we can use button. Use flat button and give href to home page. So now this should be link. Okay, takes to home page, takes us to search page. Perfect. All right. So there are color, material, design, colors. You can choose from these colors to give the required. So let's give pink lighten 3. You can easily give by in toolbar, you can supply the color props to this, and let's update. There we go. So you can write some CSS to make this black. Yeah, we can easily do that by going to app.scss, and here let's keep link color to black, important, and make sure in main.view you are including that file, this one. So this will that SCSS file will be compiled to public CSS and app.scss. And let's comment out bootstrap. Okay, also you can give design from here the way you want. Okay, so basic toolbar is okay, but if you see on mobile, yeah, those item cannot see. So what I will do is, when someone hits this, I will show those navigation links down below. So in order to do that, let's go to navbar.view, and on this view, so this is the toolbar. Card count. Okay, so this is the toolbar, and below here I will just show list of these items, toolbar items. So tile, let's duplicate. So what we can do is, for now let's make it, so let's give in contact and skip it card. So we can give we can also give href to this, I think, search. So let's see. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, links also work. Okay, so by default we'll hide this, and only on clicking this will show that. So we can do that easily on Vue.js. Just give it if, yeah, drawer. So drawer by default will be null. If someone clicks on, so if someone clicks on this, we'll make drawer true or false according to the current state. Yeah, perfect. So also what you can do is just hide it on bigger screen and so on smaller one. So this is the icon. You can give class, you can easily do in Vuetify. So hidden sm and down means it will be hidden for sm, and hidden sm and up. So on sm and up it will be hidden, for other cases it will be displayed. Let's see. Yeah, on a small screen it shows. So instead of that, you can display some logo here. We'll do that. Yeah, so hidden on a smaller screen and up means it will be hidden on all other screen size above this smaller screen size. So at this point our navbar design is in place. So I'll see you in the next video.